Hey guys, we are at Harrahs Gulf Coast in Biloxi, room 1035. Come on in. This is a basic king room, 10th floor. So when you first walk in, here's the view. There's like a full-size mirror. And then you come into the bathroom. Sorry, I've already kind of made myself at home and had a shower and everything. So the amenities, it comes with like a body lotion and then a hand, soap. With COVID, you get a brand new thing of tissues. Here's the shower. Sorry, I just took a shower, so everything's all wet. But it's spotless clean and typical like Harrahs properties. There's the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Nice tub shower though, super clean. Come out, here's a full-size mirror. Then here's like an armoire. Little closet, ironing board, safe. Then this is the king room. So here's the king bed. It's like a clock, phone combo kind of thing. Now the casino here is real small, but it's really comfortable. So I like it. Here is a mini fridge and then just regular drawers. Ice bucket. Here's like a little desk area. A little seating area. Sorry for all my junk. Here you go. And then there is like USB ports and everything on the end tables. And then they have different rooms like with views. They have like a bay view. This is just a view of Biloxi. I know it's hard to see because I have my lights on. I don't know if you can see. So this is at nighttime. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Just a view of Biloxi, and then when the daytime is over on the end is like the bay view. So I can see like the Palace Casino, the old Margaritaville Casino, Boomtown. So here it is. I like it. It's comfortable. It's clean. It's perfect. So this is the Harrahs Gulf Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Keep an eye out for many more videos. See y'all later.